Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the Wi-Fi signal strength between the Realme X2 versus the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So if you are first time watching this video, subscribe to my channel friends. I will be posting a lot of interesting videos and a lot of comparison videos. So you can check the playlist of the Realme X2 and the Note 8 Pro in the description. So where you can find plenty of videos which are uploaded only on Realme X2 device and Redmi Note 8 Pro alone. So do check the links in description for the playlist of both the devices. So now let me get into the test between the Realme X2 device and the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So which device has a better Wi-Fi signal strength? Let's see in this video. So both the phones supports 2.5 GHz and a 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal strength. And to make this signal strength measure, I download this application called Wi-Fi Man. So you can use the Play Store to download this application, which is very good in terms of the Wi-Fi signal strength displaying. So as soon as you get to the main menu, you'll get this list option below bottom. So when you tap on the list, you will get the list of Wi-Fi networks which are available currently. As you can see, when compared with the Redmi Note 8 Pro device, the Realme X2 device has picked up the more Wi-Fi signal strength than the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. As you can see here clearly, side by side when you compare, even it has got two Wi-Fi signals with a green that indicates that the signal strength is very much stronger in the Realme X2 device. Even you can see it right now guys. So list has been increased, but in the Redmi Note 8 Pro this is not the case. Only few Wi-Fi signals you can actually see here, but in the Realme X2 device you can actually see more than this 5 signal strength. And from the first day of my usage with the Realme X device, which I fell loving with the Wi-Fi signals guys, because I did not face not even single time problem with the Wi-Fi connection and disconnecting and connecting connection. So there is not at all any problem till now I faced with the Realme phones. That's a very good thing when compared with other smartphones. So even the Realme X2 has got a special feature which has a dual Wi-Fi usage as well, so which is not present in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So that will add another additional advantage for the Realme X2 device. And bonus point is that you also get the Wi-Fi tethering feature in the Realme X2 device. As you can see here, Wi-Fi tethering which is not even present in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So all these kind of features make the Realme X2 device more powerful when compared with the normal Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So clearly guys, the clear winner is a Realme X2 device in terms of the Wi-Fi signal strength and Wi-Fi features offering. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel friends. See you in the next video. Don't forget to check the playlist in the description below. See you in the next video. Bye.